Long marriages, stronger intimacy, breaking the modern myth. This is why we created MarriageJourneyIntimacy.com, a free and evolving educational platform designed to help married couples experience better intimacy, deeper pleasure, and lasting connection as the years go by. We're not selling a course, we're not promoting products, we're building a space based on faith, real-life experience, and practical sexual education to help prevent divorces caused by broken intimacy. Everything we create is offered to couples like you because we believe in one truth. Intimacy in marriage can get better with time when you're willing to learn. You'll find 3D anatomical animations to understand your own body and your spouse's, step-by-step practical guidance to improve arousal, communication, and physical connection. A growing library of tools based on science and God-centered values, grounded in love, not shame. We're here to say what others won't. Married couples deserve clear, direct, practical education about sexual intimacy rooted in God, but focused on the real structure, function, and beauty of the human body. The problem is, most couples have never been taught how male and female arousal are different, where or how to touch, how to keep intimacy alive during stress, aging, or health changes. Without that knowledge, many couples simply drift apart. That's why we built this platform, to fill the gap with real, practical help. Here are 8 simple, evidence-based practices you can start trying now, each one explained in full detail on our website. Sensate, focus touching. Slow down, explore new touch, and discover each other's unique arousal patterns. Presence builds lasting intimacy. Coital alignment technique, CAT. Rock together slowly, align rhythms, and put her pleasure at the center. Syncing bodies deepens connection. Slow, mindful sex. Breathe, stay present, and notice every sensation. Mindful focus reveals each spouse's unique path to arousal. Sensual massage. Use slow, intentional touch to relax muscles, boost circulation, and awaken hidden zones of desire. Edging, orgasm control. Pause before climax, extend play, and learn each other's signals. Patience intensifies pleasure and trust. Passionate kissing and extended foreplay. Kiss deeply, linger in foreplay, and honor different arousal timelines. Building excitement makes intimacy last. Sensory play. Blindfold, tease, or add contrasts. Exploring senses uncovers unique triggers that reignite long-term intimacy. Each practice is respectful, loving, and designed to bring you closer, not just physically, but emotionally and spiritually. And best of all, we guide you through each one step by step on the site. So if you're wondering, is this all there is? We're here to tell you, no, there's more. More connection, more pleasure, more love, more intimacy. MarriageJourneyIntimacy.com, a free resource, a growing movement, a place where faith meets real education, and where time, trust, and truth make intimacy better than ever.